Good morning, students. Today we are going to see question number C of our book. Naresh spreads a carpet of length. A carpet is there, chatai, mat like that. Okay. Of length 3 meters and breadth 2 meters in his room. Okay, a room is there. In that room, he is spreading a mat, a carpet of length 3 meters and breadth 2 meters. Okay. So in his room, if the length of the room is 4 meter and the breadth is 3 meter, what area of the room is left uncarpeted? Okay. So now Naresh spreads a carpet of length 3 meters. Okay. Now if you observe that picture given to you, okay. So yeah. Now this is 4 meter. Okay. And this is 3 meters here. 3 meter, 3 meter, here 2 meter. Okay. Now 4 meter by 3 meter, here 3 meter by 2 meter. Now this is the carpet. If you observe, Naresh spreads the carpet of length 3 meters. So this is the carpet. This rectangle is between carpet. Okay. Understood? So Naresh spread a carpet of 3 meter and breadth 2 meters in this room. If the length of the room is 4 meter and breadth is 3 meter, what area of the room is left uncarpeted? So we have to find this uncarpeted area. Okay. For that purpose, what we will do first, we will find the area of this carpet. So length of carpet. Length of carpet is equal to 3 meter. Breadth, just checking the breadth. Breadth is equal to 2 meters, and so area is given by length into breadth. L is a rectangle, so 3 2s are 3 meter multiplied by 2 meter. 3 2s are 6 square meter. 6 square meter. Okay. So area is given by the formula length into breadth. 3 2s are 6 square meter. So this area is 6 square meter. So now the length of the room is 4 meter. So now we have to find the length of the room. This total room, whole room. Okay. Means we have to find area. Sorry, area of this whole room. So that when we are finding area, जब हम area full room निकाल लेंगे. Okay, and when we subtract area of full room and this area of carpet, that time we will get this uncarpeted area. जब हम रूम का एरिया निकाल लेंगे और जैसे कि हमने कार्पेट का एरिया निकाला, कार्पेट का एरिया है 6 स्क्वायर मीटर. ओके, वी गॉट द एरिया ऑफ कार्पेट है 6 स्क्वायर मीटर. रूम का एरिया निकालेंगे, उसमें से माइनस कर देंगे तो हमें ये अनकार्पेट रीजन कितना को मालूम चलेगा. वी विल गेट टू नो हाउ मच इज द अनकार्पेट एरिया दैट वी हैव टू फाइंड. Now area of room we will have to find. Okay. Now area of room equal to, so length of room is, okay, area of room. So first I will take length, that is length is 4 meter, breadth is 3 meter. What area of the room is left uncarpeted? So area of room is equal to length multiplied by breadth. Length is 4 meter, breadth is 3 meter. 4 is 12 square meter. Okay. So area of the room is 12 square meter. Okay. Now this uncarpeted region, area of uncarpeted region is equal to area of room minus area of carpet, that is 12 minus 6, that is 6 square meter. 6 square meter. Okay. So I have shown you getting the concept. Have a nice day, students.